Hi guys! Today I'm going to do a get ready with me for the makeup I wore on my birthday last week. So let's get started. After applying moisturizer, I started with Hangover primer and blending it nicely to give that smooth base for my foundation. Next I use Maybelline foundation in shade Sun Beige. This foundation is a very lightweight foundation. It gives a medium buildable coverage. I'm using my fingers to apply the foundation. It goes on very smooth. Then using my beauty blender and patting it all over my face for that natural finish. As you can see, it evens out the skin tone pretty well and feels very hydrating and supple, so it's perfect for my dry skin. Next, I'm using LA Pro Concealer in shade Pure Beige. I've tried to do an affordable makeup tutorial so that you can easily recreate it. I'm applying it all over my pigmented areas. This concealer is amazing guys, it blends so beautifully and is a very lightweight concealer. I'm blending it using my beauty blender. Blending it nicely using the beauty blender, or you can also blend it with your ring finger. Now that the concealer is applied, I'll be using powder to set it. I'm using Loreal Mat Magique powder. It's a very nice powder. It has SPF in it, it absorbs excess oil and it stays for 12 hours. Next I'm using Anastasia eyebrow pencil to set my eyebrows. I'll draw a base line first to give that sharp shape, and once that's done, I'm just filling in the gaps wherever needed. Mainly the arch and then the start, and finally blending it all with the spoolie for that natural finish. Coming to eye makeup, I've used Urban Decay eye primer all over my lids as a base. Then I've used just this brown color from Colorpop palette with the blending brush and just applying it above my crease and blending it nicely. Then with a small crease brush, I'm applying this dark rust color on my crease and I'm blending these two colors nicely for that gradient effect. Then for my lids, I'm using this light peach color from Colorpop palette. It's a beautiful color with warm undertones and a frosted sheen to it. It applies best with a flat brush or a ring finger. It gives a metallic finish to our eye makeup. And as I'm wearing a bright pink color dress, I thought of going with this color, as it looks very pretty for evening parties. I'm taking it up to my crease and then blending it well. Then taking the same crease colors, that is a rust and a brown color, and applying on my lower lash line. And joining it with my upper crease color just to give that continuity. This will frame my eyes. Next I'm applying that light brown color and just blending the rust color with this color. Now I'm applying Maybelline gel eyeliner. This is really a very good gel eyeliner. And I'm just drawing a simple eyeliner today. Then for my inner corners, I'm applying the same lid color, that is a light peach color. And on my brow bone, I'm applying this light beige color. Then I've applied black eye pencil on my upper and lower waterlines. Now my eye makeup is done. For contouring, I'm using this Wet n Wild palette. I'm just applying contour on the hollow of my cheeks, jawline and forehead, just to give that definition to my face and for that sculpted look. I'm blending it nicely with my beauty blender. Then for my blush, I'm using this blush from Milk Cosmetics in shade Werk. It's a cream blush, a very nice formula. I'm just applying it on the apple of my cheeks and blending it well with a blending brush. And whatever is remaining, I'm just applying on my nose for that fresh look. And then blending my full face with my beauty blender. After every step, I blend my face with the beauty blender. Then for highlighter, I went with MAC Soft and Gentle, just applying it on my high points of my face, that is cheekbones, chin and the tip of my nose. I've mentioned all the products used in the description box below, please check. Coming to lipstick, I'm going in with my favorite nude lipstick. This is Lolita from Kat Von D brand. It's a chestnut rose color. It gives a matte finish and so perfect formula. It's not at all drying, super pigmentation and gives a perfect smooth finish to your lips. Then for mascara, I'm using Estee Lauder mascara. I'm applying 2 coats of this mascara on my upper and lower lashes. This mascara gives a very nice volume and length to eyelashes. And this is my final look. If you liked it, then do like my video and please subscribe to my channel for more makeup and skincare home remedies. Do let me know how did you celebrate your birthday or any special day in this period. See you all next week. Till then, bye and take care.